Yo, what's up everybody, ATB here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new Dragon Ball Super card game display opening. And yeah, I know guys, it's been a while since we have opened the Dragon Ball Super card game display, but I had a lot of stuff going on the last few weeks. I finished to play the query finally, but now I'm ongoing to play Gotham Knights. So I'm preparing a few videos for the next few weeks. So videos coming soon, stay tuned for that. But today guys, we are going to open this beauty right here. Dragon Ball Super card game, Fighter's Ambition. And hear me out on this guys, I have been waiting patiently for opening this display because on this set you have the possibility to pull the SCR Gohan Beast in secret rare guys. Oh my god, this is the card I'm hunting for in this set, and I really hope we have the luck we need to pull this, because as you know I'm a huge Beast Gohan fan.
Flashback.
Yes!
Get ready! End of flashback.
But not also that, we also have a new rarity in here, which is called SCR Gohan rare. So we have in this set 3 secret rares, and 5 SCR Gohan rares. So from hearing and seeing, I've been told that this set is looking beautiful, as all Dragon Ball sets are looking beautiful to me. But yeah, I'm pretty excited what we can pull on this box right here. But yeah, I would say let's go real quick to Card Market and let's see what this set has to offer. Alright guys, here we are on Card Market. As usual, everything is pre-selected. The set is selected, single cards. So, alright, yeah, look at this. This is the card I've meant before. Beast Gohan Secret Rare. Oh my god, this card is so beautiful looking. I hope we have the bunch of luck we need to pull this one. But let's see, we only have 3 secret rares on this set. This is the second one. Evil Saiyan Melee Mad Flash, also nice looking, beautiful. What we got here? And this is the Samex. Alright, these 2 secret rares are from the movie Dragon Ball Super Hero, I think, yeah. The Cellmax and the Beast Gohan. But let's see, now, what is this? Future rare? These are the SCR Gohan rares. This is the new rarity of the set. Alright, we got here. Oh, this is a special rare. What is this? Super rare? Oh wait, a super rare? Alright, super rare. We got here Broly True Awakened Power special rare. Also nice. SCR Gohan. This is also it's called future rare, but it's the new SCR Gohan rare. Alright, yeah, this set has a lot of beautiful cards. Speaking of beautiful cards, Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta. Nice looking, nice. This is a special rare. This would probably also be hard to pull, but it is what it is. I take what I can take, and yeah, with no further ado guys, let's jump into opening. If you love this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button. It's totally free guys. With that said, let's go beyond and start to open this box. Here we are. This is the box. It's absolute beautiful looking. And yeah, let's take a real quick look at the set specification. As you can see, we have here 60 commons, 38 uncommons, holo or normal version, 30 rares, normal or holo version, 80 super rares, 10 special rares, only 3 secret rares, but 5 new Son Gohan rares. Alright guys, I would say let's not talk too much. I forgot. Alright, take the bed knife, open it up. Let's see what we can pull here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Sparking rare or S rare for the top loader. 1, 2, 3. Woo! It's going to start bombastic, guys. Look at this. Woo! Box. The top loader of this box is the Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta special rare. Oh my god, look at this. Woo! Beautiful. Look at this gold and shiny. Oh my god. Nice. I take that. Thank you very much. All right, we have the box here. And I would say let's start opening. All right, guys. First blister or first pack of the set. Let's see what we can pull. All right, we have here Piccolo, Bulma, Saiyan God Goku, Piccolo Vegeta, again Piccolo. Ooh, these are the new arts. Oh my god, this is beautiful looking. Oh, hold on, I have some camera issues in here.
A few moments later.
All right, camera issue fixed and we are back. So like I said, this is the new art, so we can also pull this in holo version, but this one is not in holo, but it's either way, it's beautiful looking. All right, let's keep going. And we got our first, what is this? This is a rare. All right, first rare, guys. Ooh, these new rares are looking nice. The holo effect is pretty decent looking. All right. Cool. I take that. Oh, all right, first rare. And I would say let's speed up a little bit and take the next pack. Yeah, guys, as far as I know, this will be my only box, but let me know in the comment section below if you have also bought this box, what you have pulled, and we can share the results together. All right, this is the next one, Janemba. Beautiful. Ooh, okay. Here we go. This is a rare, and this is all right. The next rare, Son Gohan Power Unshackled. Nice blue effect. All right. Next pack. So the first hit was the special rare, the top loader of this box. Beautiful, great start, and I hope I can keep that way going. All right. Next one, Bojack. Dude, this is absolutely this. If I can pull one of these in holo, woo, phenomenal. All right, the do we have? This is common. All right, this is a common. Yeah, iconic scene, which Piccolo is going to change the suit of Son Gohan kid. Also nice looking common. All right, let's go to the next one. I got this box from my sponsor partner TC Games. We'll put his link in the description down below. Go check him out. He has a lot of stuff, not only Dragon Ball, but he has also Yu-Gi-Oh, Magic, Pokemon, whatever you need, he has it. Go check him out. Also very good prices. Okay, let's keep going. We got Lord's Luck. Okay, these new arts are looking fantastic, but oh, this is the, what is this? This is a normal rare. Look at this. This is now a common with the new art in holo version. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ooh, nice. I love it. I love it. I don't know what it is, but it's fantastic. Not only because I'm a Dragon Ball fan, I just love all of it, but I don't know, something in this new art, I don't know, maybe the splash around it, the new effect, or the glitter effect, it's you have to fall in love with it. This is absolutely beautiful looking. I have to say, Bandai, good job on this set. Really good job. Alright, let's keep going. We have Beerus, Vegeta, Garlic Jr., Turtles. Until now, no super. Ooh, this one in holo would be also great. We got next comment and alright. First of all, common holo, Android Assault. Nice. And we have our first. This is super rare. This is a this is a super rare. Oh my god! Look at this splitting gold effect behind, and this blue shining, and the aura and effect in the background. Oh my god! Another Super Saiyan. Wait. Super Saiyan limits broken. Oh, look at this! Look at this! This is the special rare version. I think the alternative version. This is the super rare version. Oh, here we go. Gogeta Blue in the house. Alright. I take that. I love Gogeta Blue. By the way, we have pulled him on Dragon Ball Legends with my last breath, guys. This video was nerve-wracking, and it was don't want to talk about it. All right, here we go. Next pack we got here. This is okay. This one we got in holo. We pulled it before. This one also in holo. All right, we have a rare and nothing. Okay. Piccolo Mentor's Rage. Ooh. These rares, I have to say, these rares are looking beautiful. And the whole set is looking beautiful, by the way. Not only the rares, the special rares, or the secret rares. Oh my god. Oh, secret rare. Please let me poke these Gohan. This would be absolutely the bomb, guys, the bomb. But let's see what this box brings us. Okay, we got next rare and nothing. Lord's Luck, rare. Nice. I haven't counted how many packs we have opened till now, but we are not closely arrived at the half of the box, but let's just keep going. Let's chill here. Let's talk about it. All right, Pan from the movie, Android, Baby Pan with Piccolo. All right, we got the next common. Paragus, this is the father of Broly, and ooh, this is all right. Hold on, this is not a special rare. This is a S rare, super rare, Broly, but also this greenish, splittering, shiny effect of the blast is. Oh, I love it. I just love it. This is absolutely, look at this. Phenomenal, absolutely gorgeous. All right, this is the second super rare we have pulled. The second super rare, no special rare besides the top loader, but pulled, no special rare, no secret rare till now. I hope this is going well. I really hope this is going well. All right. Oh, bye. Vegeta. Oh, and the next. Ooh, these are. I love it. I love it. King Gurumus. And the next one is. This is the super rare Black Smoke Dragon. All right. Also nice looking. Hold on, I still have Card Market, the website open. Let me see. Black Smoke Dragon. Black Smoke Dragon. All right. Starting at 30-40 bucks. Take it. Nice. It's no special rare, but it has its value, and it's perfectly fine for me. All right, then let's keep going. We are almost at the half. I'm going to open 2 packs and then we are going to count how many packs we have left, guys. All right, let's keep going. Yeah, now we are going to pull some cards double and triple. This is a normal common holo. This is no Gohan rare. I don't know how it's gonna be mentioned on the card, but I think we are gonna recognize it if it's a Gohan rare. All right, then we got nothing here. All right, so this pack, and then hold on, good. So this one, and then we are going to take a real quick check at the remaining packs. All right, next one. Slug, Lucifer, Broly, Spirit Bomb Unleashed. Right, this is Gohan Common Holo, and no, come on. This is also a super rare. Son Gohan and Piccolo Full Power Training. This is no special rare and no secret rare. All right. We have pulled so far 4 super rares, guys. 4. And if I remember right, you have, I don't know if it's 5 super rares you can pull in each box, but don't hang me out on this. But this card is also beautiful looking. Let's put you to the other super rares. All right, but okay, let's do a real counting check. Oh yeah, we have still a lot going on. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, I would say almost the half is through, or the half is through. All right, I would say let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, I hope this is not going to be last pack magic, because my nerves are done. But all right, let's see. Let's keep going. Cunning Murder. Bio Broly, common holo with the new art. I love it. Bio Broly. And we got, ooh, yes, here we go. This is a new Son Gohan rare. Can you see it? Hold on the camera. No, you can't. It's camera's not working well. All right, this is a new Son Gohan rare, guys. I don't know if it's the gravity in the back is different, but you can see this is different. But this one is a Son Gohan rare. Okay, let me see. SCR Son Gohan rare. Makes sense. Okay, what we got? Son Gohan, dependable young fighter. I don't know if it's one of these. Son Gohan, dependable young fighter on card market, starting about $6. All right, take it, take it. First Son Gohan rare pulled, guys. All right, here we go. Okay, now the only thing we need now is a special rare or a secret rare. Come on, don't let me down on this. Please, 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 please. All right, here we go. Here we go. July. Waifu alarm. What we got here? Vegeta rare. Ooh, this is the same art looking. Yeah. Okay, and we have here nothing. Good.
Giggity, 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 ooh, ee, ooh, ting, tang, walla, walla, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ting, tang, walla, walla, bing, bang.
Okay, next box. All right. Rolling, Golden, Krillin as a cop officer. Forgotten capsules. Zayuin. Uncommon holo. All right, and niet. Okay, how many packs we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 packs to go, and still no special rare or no secret rare pull till now. Oh my god. Hope we can at least we can pull at least one special rare. Come on. Let's make this happen. Let's make this happen, guys. Yeah, what we got? Uncommon holo. All right, the next one. No luck here. No luck here. Yeah, you probably have to buy more than just one box to if you want to hunt your favorite card, but this is just money taking, guys. It's an expensive hobby we have here. You know that, you really. All right, we got, okay, Son Gohan common and nothing. Next box. Oops, sorry. Come on. So, let's see what we have here. Bulma. Woohoo! Yeah. Vegeta, Piccolo, Broly. And we got Han Baby with Common Holo. And... oh, this is not funny anymore. This is not funny anymore. Come on. I don't want to cry. I don't want to lose here. Please, give me what I want. Please. Ooh. Alright, here we go. Some Gohan. Trunks, Cooler, Spirit Bomb. Goku, Broly again, and we got Uncommon Holo Broly and Fat Godanks. This fat boy Godanks who can do shit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs open, or still to open. I hope you have done better than me right now, because I'm not doing well at all. I'm really not doing well on this box. This is a Uncommon Awakened Fusion Fat Gotenks again, and jeez. Okay. I'm slowly started to think that we are not going to pull nothing anymore here. Oh, please. Don't let it be like that. This will be horrible. Gohan, Spirit Bomb. I'm pulling a lot of uncommons and commons and holo. This is unusual, but next one, rare. Oh, Jesus. 4 packs left, guys. 4 packs left. My ship is sinking, and now I'm shrinking. Come on, give me something good. Shenron, Granter of Wishes, rare, and yeah, we got you in holo. But this is also a nice looking card. Nice looking Shenron. I take it. But no special rare, no secret rare, guys. This is going to be a loose box. Probably think so. I believe in miracle. All right. Come on. We got you. Okay, we are. This is now something coming. I don't know what it is. Super rare, special rare, secret rare. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna check it out. This. A Black Masked Saiyan Assassins from the Darkness. Super rare. This was our last chance, guys. Super rare. We have now pulled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 super rares. 5 super rares, but no secret rare and no special rare. Okay, we are coming slowly to the end, guys. Last 2 packs. This is I believe in last pack magic, guys. Don't get me wrong, but as far as I can see what we have pulled so far, no chance here. But let's see. Okay, last pack magic is hitting. Special rare. Android 18. This is not that what I wanted, but I take it. I'm not complaining. I'm really not complaining. Second special rare of this box. Android 18. No 18. Stupid. 13, excuse me guys. Android 13. Total Annihilator. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. No secret rare, I think, but it's okay. It's fine. It's sad that we weren't able to pull the secret rare Beast Gohan, but this is. What are the chances, guys? So let's be honest. This is one of 10 or 15 boxes. You can get one. This is obnoxious. Okay, right. This is the last pack. We are already through, or almost through. What we can get here: a uncommon Awaken card, Android 13, and a rare. Alright guys, that was it. We have opened all packs. Alright, let me see what we can show you here. Alright, these are the two special rares. I would say the hits of this box. Two special rare, Gogeta Blue and Android 13. This was the top loader. You see it's still intact, and this was last pack magic, or second last pack magic, Android 13. Then we have pulled only one from the new rarity Son Gohan rare, only one. This is this one, and then we have these 5 super rares here. Broly, Gogeta. Yeah, these are also beautiful looking. I'm not complaining, guys, don't get me wrong, but secret rare is very hard to pull, especially when you only have 3 per set, so it's pretty harsh, but I'm happy with what I've pulled here. And I'm not complaining at all. Alright, then we got... Sorry guys. Then we have here a bunch of commons, uncommons in holo version. And here we have the new arts of the cards. And holo we have pulled Cooler, Kingarumus, Bio Broly, Lucifer, all didn't pulled in holo. But the new arts of this splasher and this effect is the draw skills of this is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely, art is absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And then we have here a bunch of rares, awakens in holo. Yep. Nothing special here, but these are all new cards. I'm probably gonna sleeve everyone up, but I would say this is the end of the video. Let's cut it right here, and see you in a minute. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, unfortunately, no secret rare Beast Gohan pulled, but hey, really, we have pulled a lot of new beautiful cards, common, uncommon, holo, new Gohan rare, special rare, super rares. We have pulled it a lot, and we have pulled it all, but yeah, you know how the game is. This is to pull a secret rare is very hard. To pull a special rare is also pretty hard, but I would say don't hate the player, hate the game. So, but I love what I do and it's totally fine for me. And yeah, only thing to say is if you have also bought this set, and let me know in the comment section below what you have pulled, and then we can share and compare to each other. This would be absolutely appreciated and it would be great. All right, guys, with that said, you know how it goes. Stay healthy, stay out of trouble. See you soon next week with a new video. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.